Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how you can change your username on PayPal. So let's start. In order to change your username on PayPal, you will have to log in through a web browser. So let's go to Chrome and open the PayPal account. Go to paypal.com and log in with your account. When you complete logging in your PayPal account, you will find a screen like this. Tap on three lines on the top left of your screen. Then go to settings. On the account section, you will find the change name option on the right side of your username. Simply tap on change name, then select a reason for changing your name. Tap on next. Then after you can enter the new name that you want to maintain in your PayPal account. After entering the details, tap on continue and your username will be changed to a new one. So in this way you can change your PayPal username in a couple of simple steps. That's it for the video. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.